Hello friends, this is Ruchi Jain from Shivaji Rao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management. Friends, in the series of video lecture, today our topic of discussion is Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. In this, today we will discuss in this video the difference between limited liability partnership and partnership firm. It is very interesting part of discussion that we are already studied the Indian Partnership Act in 1932, how the partnership is firm created, what is partnership deed, how the rights, what are the rights and duties of partner, everything we were discuss. Then in limited liability partnership we was also discussed the what is limited liability partnership, how the partnership is created and everything. Now we see the difference. On the basis of governing laws, our first point of difference is in Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 and various rules were made thereunder. In Indian Partnership Act 1932, the various rules made thereunder. So both have their own governing laws, and according to their governing laws, they should create it and they should follow that rule. Now the next is registration. In Limited Liability Partnership Act, as it has some rules related to the compulsory registration is important. In it, the registration is compulsory for every type of organization. In the partnership firm 1932 rule, the registration is optional, but it is the advisable to every partnership firm that they should register their firm. Now, next is creation. On the basis of creation, the limited liability partnership is created by law. Law should follow the rules and regulation, and according to that, this limited liability partnership act is created. Partnership firm has follow the rules of Contract Act 1872, which we already discussed that while following of the contract rule, how the contracts are created, what are the essentials, on that basis partnership firms contracts are created and it is created on that contract basis. Now the next is separate legal entity. It means partners have their own identity and firm has their own identity. So in limited liability partnership, separate legal entity, separate firm, its partner and designated partners. It has the separate entity, the firm has the separate entity from its partner. It is not have separate in partnership firm, it is not separate legal entity from partners. Partners are collectively referred as firm. In this, partners are referred as firm and they are working in the organization with the name of the firm. But in LLP, they have their own identity and organization or firm have their own identity. Now, perpetual succession. In limited liability partnership, it has perpetual succession, and in partnership firm, it doesn't have any kind of perpetual succession. Now the next is name. Suffix LLP or limited liability partnership has been added to the name as XYZ LLP limited liability partnership firm is added while making of the firm's name or while deciding of the firm name. No such requirement for the partnership firm is required. They just simply enter their name. Now the next is change of name. In limited liability partnership can be changed with the prior approval of central government, as directly central government interfere in the cases of the limited liability partnership. So it is, or they can change their name with the approval of government. Now the name in the partnership firm can be anytime can be changed. Then next is ownership of assets. The LLP has ownership of assets and partners only have capital contribution in the LLP. This is the very interesting part of the LLP that shows the perpetual succession point also, that partners don't have the right on the assets of the company. They are investing amount as in capital, and they are working separately, and they are getting everything on the basis of their capital contribution, and firm has their own assets. Now in partnership have joint ownership of all the assets. In partnership firm, the partners have the joint ownership of all the assets. Now next is liability. Liability of partner is limited up to their capital contribution. As much amount as partners are invested, they have the liability on the partners, or they have limit up. While in partnership firm, the liability of partner is unlimited. In partnership firm, partners have the every rights, and they have the unlimited liabilities. While in LLP, as its name, the liabilities are limited. So friends, these all about the discussion part on the difference between partnership firm and limited liability partnership. When we differentiate the limited liability partnership and partnership firm, then we see the difference, and limited liability partnership firm is working on the basis of the law given in Indian Companies Act 1956, and partnership firm is working on the basis of Indian Contract Act 1872. This was the major difference between both this. In new trend, partnership firms are registered under LLP, while it has more benefit as compared to the Partnership Firm Act 1932. Now we are talking about the registered office. So every LLP should have the registered office, address for communication and notices, as it is directly linked with the government, and government is interfere in the every activities and watch every activities. The rules related to the creations are mentioned, so it should have the registered office, and that address is mentioned in the registered norms of the registered documents of the limited liability partnership for communication and or notices. Now name of the LLP. When we talking about the name of the LLP, so every LLP has some name, and that name should be identical name. No identical name should be used which shows any double meaning, or which shows the any other, which has any other firm's name. So it has some unique name, and that name should be with this name the firm should be registered. Now at last, designated partners. So minimum 2 who are individual, at least one of them resident of India. In minimum of 2 is required for creation of limited liability partnership, and in this one should be the resident of India. It means he should fulfill the condition, or he should fulfill the all the essentials of the ordinary resident of India. It means he should reside in India at least 182 days of the year. So all these conditions if fulfilled, then the limited liability partnership firm is created. So friends, thank you very much for this lecture series. Thank you.